In this guide, we'll show you how to resolve the issue of the "Who trusts this computer" alert not showing up on your phone. If you find this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tips. This issue can be frustrating because it prevents you from syncing or transferring data. Here's how you can fix it. First, try restarting your phone. To do this, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally, press and hold the power button. Keep holding until the screen goes black and you see the logo appear. Once the logo appears, release the button after the phone restarts. Plug it back in and check if the prompt shows up. If the issue persists, go to your settings and open the General section. Scroll to the bottom and select the Reset or Transfer option. Choose Reset Location and Privacy. This will reset those settings. Once that's done, reconnect your phone to your computer. The alert should now appear, allowing you to trust the connection and proceed. We hope this resolves the issue. If it did, consider liking and subscribing for more solutions and helpful tips. Thanks for watching.